What's up, people? Convicted marketer Lawrence Aponte here, and in this video I want to show you how you can easily find products to sell on Shopify. I'm going to be sharing a tool with you that I absolutely love. It's a tool that not only allows you to find winning products, it also allows you to see the person's ads that they're running. It also gives you in detail information and data on the person's store that you can all use to see what's working, what's not working, and how you can model off of them and make tons of money on your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, guys, so here is the tool. I'm super excited to be sharing it with you guys. It's called Adplexity e-commerce. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a in-detail review of it. I'm going to show you guys all the features it currently has, how to use it, my thoughts, etc. So without further ado, let's just kind of get right into it. If you can see directly from the back office here, we'll just start at the top of the toolbar, and the number one thing they have here is find products. Then they have find stores, popular apps, and then they have like a favorite section that you can save products if you want to look at them in the future. On the left hand side is going to be the filter section. Now there's a bunch of different filters that you can kind of go through. The first one is promoted within, so you can set a date or a time frame to show products that have been promoted within the last time frame. Off default, it shows within the last week, so any products that it shows here are currently being promoted within the last week. If we go further down the filter section, we can see the product properties, and it could show you the date that the product was added to the store. You can switch that up and select if you want to just see products that were added yesterday or products that were added within the last 7 days. You can do that. Then you have the price section here where you can modify the price. Maybe you don't want to see products that are less than 20 bucks. So you can go over here and then set it up to $21 and up. The next thing we have here is it actually gives you the opportunity to type in a category if you want to do something more custom. Then the next one is if it has Facebook copy. Do you want it to show? Do you not want it to show? Then they have here, this is pretty cool, fulfilled by. So there's a bunch of different stores that you can actually just filter and see, like if you want to see anything that's only fulfilled by T-Launch or anything that's fulfilled by Viral Style or Custom Cat or Amazon. You can just filter those products out specifically. And then here you have the opportunity to actually write the store's name. So maybe you kind of are browsing the internet and come across a Shopify store. You can take their name and you can put it in here and then see kind of the stats on that product. Up at the top, you can search certain keywords. So maybe we just want to find certain products like socks. Okay, so it'll show you anything that has to do with socks. And you can select whether you want the product title, the description, or everywhere. So it'll pull up all the products on Shopify that have been added within the last 7 days and that are socks. Okay, so you can basically do that. We'll delete that. And then over here, the last filter that they have is we can sort by product strength, which I'll get into in a minute, last seen, last added, price going up or price going down. Okay, so if we look at like the very first product right here, which is a facial fitness, we can see that this was added about 5 days ago. It's $30. We have the ability to favorite it if we want. And then we have this number down here, 458. So this right here is the product strength. The product strength is the bigger the product strength, the more popular it is within that specific range. So Adplexity e-commerce has special rulings and algorithms that it uses to determine the product strength. So the higher the product strength, the better it is for that specific time. Now, if we just click on a specific product, look, we'll click on this one since we're talking about it. Let it load up for 1 second. What we're going to get is the product picture. We're going to get the name, the store that's actually selling it, when it was added. You'll have the link. This is currently being fulfilled manually. It also gives you the opportunity to look at the ads that is maybe being used for it. Okay, and we can see they're basically using Facebook Watch. They're using that nice feature, and you can see it's more of like a native type of video ad. So you can gauge it and see it's already had over 100,000 views. And if there's any more ads that are public, it will show them. There's another one. So, I mean, basically we can see what's going on. This is being posted on Fake Outrage. It's being posted on I Want One. It's being posted on Let's Get It. So this is being advertised on a few different fan pages, which is always good to know. We have the opportunity to see their item description taken directly from their store. That's always good. And then if we look down here, we can see if there was any price changes. Maybe they started high, went low, then went high. Then it shows you the product strength as it has been going on since it's launched. And then we can also see all the way at the bottom other products that this store has launched recently. So they have a 5-in-1 opener, they have a dumpling maker, no mess shaving bib, travel mask, etc. So we can see that stuff there. So, I mean, this is very, very powerful, guys. That's one feature that it has. So if we go back to this section here, we can continuously just kind of look for stuff, right? Also, let's come here. We can go to store. We can click on the store here. And once we click on the store, it's going to show us the information on the store, okay? Blue Crate, there's their website. Here's their meta description tag. Their info, they have about 164 products. Their cheapest product is $4. Their most expensive product is $50. Average product price, $15. You can see on average how many products they are launching per day. Good, they're staying pretty consistent with launching a few products each and every day. And then you can actually see all of the all the apps that the store is using. So maybe you want to see, what apps the store is using, and we can click on the app, and then it'll take us to the actual app and see exactly what it is if you want to know that. Okay, and then if we go down once again, it'll show you the latest products that have been launched and then the most promoted products. So these products here are the ones that have been had the most ads run to them. So they have socks, the silent snore, the easy opener, the desktop punch bag, the Soxy. So Blue Crate has really cool, unique products, and that's basically all the information that we get from there, which is really deep. We could go check out their social media, we could go check out their Facebook, their Instagram, and see what they may or may not be doing on there. If we go back to the back office, then we can go to the next tab, which is Find Stores. And Find Stores is really cool because it's going to show you more data on the stores, and you can have the ability to sort here by the most promoted, last seen, last added, so on and so forth. So we have Fashion Nova, Allbirds, MVMT, Thrive Cosmetics, Blue Crate, the Loop Loft, right? And we get all their information along with the store strength. Okay, the store strength is the higher it is, the more it's popular it has been within that time frame that you are searching. So in this case, Fashion Nova is the one. Then Allbirds. And then once again, we can click on these stores here and we can get the same information that we got earlier from Blue Crate for each and every store. Fashion Nova, number of products, they have 45,000 products. We can look at all their social media all in one place there. How many products they're launching per day. Hundreds of products per day, guys. Keep this in mind. This is a $1 million company right here. They're launching hundreds of products per day. Okay, and then you can see the apps. They only have about 4 apps installed. Then you can see the latest products that they've been adding, then also the most promoted products. So we can see exactly which ones have been promoted the most, when they were added, and then we can obviously click on the stuff and get some more information on the product. Once again, see how much it costs. We could check out their Facebook ads if they have any, and then more products and information all the way at the bottom. Okay. The next one I really like because in my course Q4 Blitz, where I show you how to basically start your own Shopify store from scratch, I go over a method of showing my students on how to use the App Store to find stores that are using expensive apps and see exactly what they may be selling. So basically, if a store is using, certain apps, for instance, like Klaviyo, which is a very expensive email marketing app, you can see the stores that are using that. Okay, and you could just click on here, see stores using this app. And you can basically go through the products or the stores that are using this and determine whether or not you can, you know, use it as well, or see what they're doing. Because if they're using an expensive app, 9 times out of 10 they're probably making some type of money, right? No one wants to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on apps if they're not making any money. So you can literally just go check out stores that have Klaviyo. So now we'll go to another store and we'll see exactly what they have, right? 458 products, their Mermaid Pillow Company. We can go down here, we can see their apps that they're using. Here's the latest products that they've launched, the most promoted products that they've launched, and we could just model off of them, guys, right? This is all about seeing what works and modeling off of what people are doing and what people are winning with. And of course, like I mentioned last time, you can do product favorites on the end to save products or stores that you may want to encounter later on. So that pretty much sums up this tool. If you want more information, or if you're looking to maybe spy on other stores, or you don't know what products to sell on Shopify, I highly recommend Adplexity e-commerce for all your spying needs. The link is going to be down below in the description center. It's also going to be a pinned comment in the comment section. Be sure to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and also subscribe. If you're looking to get into e-commerce and don't know where to start, you can check out my course, q4blitz.com, where I show you from A to Z how to start your store from scratch. The link is going to be down in the description center. Till next time, guys, Lawrence Aponte signing out. Peace!